Yeah.
It's the name they say is running the game. Military man.
Flip in the building.
So go ahead, hand over the torch. Super producer Scott Storch. And of course, I'ma show you how to get your shine on. Turn it up if you. Hold up, man. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Chamillionaire, the mixtape Messiah, Houston's hardest artist, bringing you my solo debut album, The Sound of Revenge. You know I brought the streets with me. The album features Lil Flip, Bun B, Lil Wayne, Scarface, and Crazy Bone. With the hit single Turn It Up featuring Lil Flip. The streets have been waiting for it, and now it's official. The Sound of Revenge in stores now. Coming to get it, baby. To remain. Coming to get it. Military man.
The preparation. Chamillionaire. The mixtape Messiah. The leadership. Chamillionaire. Versatile hustler. The dirty work. Chamillionaire. The sound of revenge. The grind. Features the hit single Riding Dirty. The payoff. The revenge. Chamillionaire's platinum debut album, The Sound of Revenge, in stores now.
To remain.
The preparation. The grind. Versatile hustler. The payoff. The revenge. Chamillionaire's platinum debut album, in stores now.
To remain.